Welcome students. Today we solve the following expression. Here value of p by q is equal to 1 by 4 is given. To find out the p plus q divided by p minus q. Now we know the value of p by q. So p plus q divided by p minus q. Here, this term we converted in the form of p by q. So, we divide by q whole the term in denominator and in the numerator. So, p divided by q plus q divided by q divided by p divided by q minus q divided by q is equal to p by q. Q divided by q is equal to 1 divided by p by q minus 1. Now we know the value of p by q, which is 1 by 4. So we substitute p by q is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1. Here the LCM is a 4. Therefore 1 plus 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 4. Here the LCM is also 4. Therefore 1 plus 1 multiply minus 1 minus 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 is a 5 divided by 4 divided by 1 minus 4 is a minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by minus 3 is our answer. Now children, we solve the following expression. Here 16 by 7 of 105 divided by 10 divided by 25 by 10 of x is equal to 3 by 2. We find the value of x. Now 16 by 7, therefore 16 by 7 of means multiplication 105 by 10 divided by 25 by 10 of means multiply by x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, now 16 by 7 multiply by 105 by 10 multiply by 10 divided by 25 multiply by x is equal to 3 by Therefore, now 10, 10, 7, 15, 7 are 105. Now 5, 3 are 15, 5, 5 are 25. 5, 5 cut. Therefore, 16 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 multiplied by x is equal to 3 by 2. Now we change the side. Therefore, 16 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 Here 3 is in multiplication, so it comes in division, and x is in multiplication division, so it comes in multiplication, x by 2. Therefore 3 3. Now 16 by 5, 2 is in division, so it comes in multiplication, is equal to x. Therefore 32 by 5 is equal to x. Therefore 32 divided by 5. 5 6 are 32. Now decimal 0. 5 4 are 20. 0. Therefore x is equal to 6.4, our answer. Thank you children for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.